Good morning, respected ma'am, sir. My name is Mehrin Gul Khan. I'm from section 4 and I would like to explain what makes me happy. By the way, I did prepare a script, but I'm gonna ditch it for now. Happiness, I feel like, should be unscripted. You can tell it by yourself. Happiness for me is in the small moments we experience. In Happiness is to me thinking about a happy place, a happy memory that you made with your family or friends. They were there with you. The laughter, the food that you share, the food that you ate, the cats, the animals that you made, furry friends you made in the journey, the unexpected moments, the unexpected happy and laughters you shared, cute animals, or travel that you get to do, new friends that you made when your eyeliner is on fleek, the rainy season, the unexpected sunset that you captured that day that made you recall that how amazing that day went. When you're sad, you think about the laughters that you shared with other people. Thank you to the IPA faculty for giving us such an opportunity. And I would like to quote Abraham Lincoln. As he said, most of the people are happy because they do what they love. So, doing what you love, getting admission in your favorite college, completing this assignment on time and submitting it makes me happy. So, thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for sparing your time. Thank you so much. Bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Yash Thakur from MBA batch 2021 and 23 and I'm currently in section 4. So here are some of the things that make me happy. Some of the things that make me happy include writing, a good gym session and a good music session. First off, writing, because it has over the years it's a hobby that has helped me find peace. I usually journal, write poems and articles. I am a content writer on the side as well. So whenever I find the words that describe what I want to say the way I want to say it, it makes me really happy. The poems which I write, and when I do write them and they make sense, it really makes me happy. I post the articles about topics that find me intriguing, and it gives me huge joy to see people like and share those articles on those platforms. Gym session would be the second thing that makes me happy, because it has been a thing that has kept me fit all over the years. Uh, Whenever I achieve something that I wasn't able to achieve yesterday in the gym, it gives me a good sense of pride and an ability and a huge boost to take on challenges that lie ahead in my life. Third thing would be music. Not only just singing, I do play guitar and sing. So the love for music way goes way back, when we used to live in a joint family. We used to listen to R.D. Burmans and the Jagjit Singhs at the time. So I guess that has been impressed on me over the couple of years. My mother put me into classical music, and because of her, I got a diploma in Indian classical vocals. After that, my interest developed into guitar, so I've learned guitar as well. So all of this has combined uh, into music sessions that I usually have for myself. Nobody's invited, I'm sorry. But yeah, if that turns out well, I get really happy, and I write songs too. I haven't released them because they're not yet ready. So whenever I am able to push out a song that makes sense and it's good in good in sound and uh, in a way that inspires me, it gives me huge joy, and on good days, not even food can do that. So yeah, I mean music. So yeah, and that's about it. That would be all from my side. And I think I've over exceeded my time, so thank you.
Hello, my name is Adarsh Kaur. I am in BBA Section 4, Hyper College, Bhopal. I am from a small town, Gairatganj of district Raisen, Madhya Pradesh. I have completed my high school and higher secondary education from Little Flower Higher Secondary School, Gairatganj, and now I live in Bhopal. And the things that make me happy means there are a lot of small things that make me happy, like meeting my siblings and cousins after a long time. It gives me internal happiness, and I enjoy a lot with them. Mm, I like singing, traveling. My uh, last ride was to Kedarnath, Badrinath, Gangotri, Yamunotri, Rishikesh, Vrindavan, Mathura, and etc. Uh, means and The words of appreciation from my dad and family makes me so happy and motivates me to do something better. uh, thank you so much.
Good morning, sir, ma'am, and my all friends. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself, Ram Patidar. I am from Parvalia Sadak. I am pursuing MBA from Institute of Professional Education and Research. I have done my graduation from MK Ponda College Business and Management in Bhopal. I have done my 12th and 10th standard from Prerna Kiran Public School, Gandhinagar, Bhopal. My hobbies are playing volleyball and new ideas. I am happy for Deepavali festival and my all family. Thank you so much.
Hello, myself Komal Mantani. I belong to Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Talking about my family, we are four members, my parents and my elder brother. Talking about my academic, currently I am pursuing MBA from IPA College. I did my graduation from Vikmaditya College in BBA Finance. I did my schooling from Navnid Hasuma Lakhani Public School. Talking about my happiness, what actually makes me happy is spending time with my loved ones, especially my younger siblings and family. So here's a small glimpse of actually happy me. Hope you all like it.
So baby, come with me. You take a Wednesday and you make it seem like it's the
Hey everyone, my name is Aman Vikas Jain and I'm from Section 4. If I talk about my academics, then I have completed my graduation from Prestige Indore and my stream was BBA, my specialization was marketing. I have completed my schooling from Great Barn International School, which is situated in my hometown Sagar. And if I talk about what makes me happy, then
So this is what makes me happy. These minty, windy, fresh airs when touches my face and makes me feel alive. And these solo rides which makes me feel special about myself. And of course, in the end, my bike.
So I'm a big time motorcycle enthusiast, and all this began when I saw superbikes in Dhoom.
Then, after getting introduced to such kinds of beautiful machines, I searched a lot more about them. I have been on many rides, I have completed my rides in various kinds of climatic conditions as well. Going to different places, watching different views, exploring, this gives me some inner peace. I feel like meditation. I don't know why, but riding makes me feel totally present at the moment. This makes me truly happy. Thank you.
Hey guys, good morning everyone. Myself Pranjal Jan and I pursuing my professional education from Institute of Professional Education and Research Bhopal, which is one of the best college in Bhopal to develop the personality of a student. And I completed my graduation from Bhopal School of Social Sciences with BCom honors, and this college helped me to develop the personality in myself, and I scored 82% in that. And I completed my schooling from Bal Bharati Public School, which is one of the best memory for me. And with commerce background, and I scored 80% in that. And now I would like to share some random memories and which makes me feel happy and bring a smile to my face. One is I love to bake cakes, and the satisfactory feedback of people make me feel happy and bring a smile to my face. And the second one is spending time with my family and travel and explore different places, and road trips, day out with my cousins give me another level of happiness. Clicking pictures and making memories makes me feel happy. And other is kind behavior of other bring a smile to my face and makes conversation more comfortable and interacting. And the fourth one is watching sunset and sparkling stars make me feel mesmerized. And the sixth one is I love to cook food and eat junk food and mummy ke hath ka khana. Surprising my family with buying gifts with my own savings and makes me more happy, and making handmade gifts for my family members makes me more happy. A cup of coffee relieve stress, and chocolate brings ultimate happiness to me.
A very good evening to my respected teachers and my fellow friends. My name is Ritika Hingwasia and I'm from Section 4. First of all, I want to thank my faculty for giving us the opportunity to explain Happy Me. First thing of my Happy Me is my grandmother. I have seen her struggling but never been stopped at working hard and always smiling in difficult situations makes me inspire as well as made me learn from her that never ever stop yourself working hard to achieve something in your life. Whenever she share her experience and her funny moments with us, the time I spend with her makes me happy. Lastly, dancing and drawing is the two things that makes me or fill me with an happiness.
मधुशाला मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया। नैनो वाले ने नैनो वाले ने नैनो वाले ने छेड़ा मन का प्याला छलकाई मधुशाला मेरा चैन रैन नैन अपने साथ ले गया।
Happiness is not a goal, it is a byproduct of a life well lived. Hello everyone, myself Shivani Dikshit. I am from MBA department, first year student from section 4. Happiness is about getting inner satisfaction and well-being of body and mind. I think happiness depends upon ourselves. For me, going gym on everyday basis is one of the best way to take care of myself. From hitting the gym, lifting more weights to talking myself out. Things like these boost my spirit and it is also important for my mental and physical health. All my worries, tension, sadness ends when I work out. Sweating out for 1 to 2 hours in a gym makes me feel more confident, capable and anxiety and stress free. Apart from all this, I used to feed dogs when I was too young with my grandfather. Since then, it came into my habit to feed dogs and cows roaming on the road. At the day I could not feed makes me sad and worried. Petting and feeding dogs, taking care of them, spending quality time with them, playing with them, clicking photos of them. This deed makes me happy and I love doing this daily. The happiness I get by doing these things is a very beautiful experience. For me, happiness is directly linked with the love and positivity. We need to find the ways of getting happy instead of waiting for it to come by itself.
Hi, this is Rachna Vishwakarma, Section 4 MBA. Enjoyed my graduation year at MBM Bhopal. I am just an average girl, trying to find out my way through life with some common things like traveling, music, driving, spend quality time with my friends and my family.
Music. Music is my all-time partner. I love to type with melodies and music without mashing up with lyrics. Traveling. I love traveling a lot, usually leaving my footprint on natural destinations.
The thing that makes me happy is driving. As we all know, everything in life is somewhere else and I prefer driving to find it out. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jasraj Kaur. I belong to Central India, Madhya Pradesh. I was born and brought up in Bhopal. I am currently pursuing my MBA from Institute of Professional Education and Research. I have done my graduation in BCom Honors Management with Computer Applications from Institute of Excellence in Higher Education. I have scored 82.9 percentile. I have secured 5th rank in the batch. I have been constantly a social activist and participated in a lot of competitions like collage and creative writing. And I have done my schooling from Ideal Higher Secondary School. I have passed my 12th and 10th from MP Port. I have scored 86.2 percentage in 12th standard and I have scored 85 percentage in my 10th standard. My hobbies are traveling, reading, calligraphy. And if I have to say one thing that makes me happy is doing good and productive all the time. That makes me really happy, and if I'm able to help someone, the joy of giving is biggest happiness for me, because it gives me the sense that God has indulged me with a lot, that I'm able to help someone. That gives a greatest joy to me. And if I have to say just a single thing, that it won't be justice to the word happiness, because happiness is a feeling, and if we have a life, then we should live it, every bit of it, with full of happiness. So doing good gives me a great happiness, as doing good will always gives us back good things, and when we get good we will be happy. So that what we throw and what we get, if we throw going good, then we will definitely going to get something good, and then goodness gives us happiness. So it starts from us, and seeing this beautiful nature, acknowledging every bit of it, and being grateful for what I have, and making the best of the such a beautiful life that is given to me. That is the happiness to me. Thank you for giving such a wonderful opportunity to me to tell my views on what is happiness and what makes me happy. And thank you so much for it.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rakesh Sharma. I am from MBA Section 4. At the very first, I would like to thank our teachers for giving us this opportunity of introducing ourselves. Now, if I talk about my academics, I am currently pursuing my MBA from Institute of Professional Education and Research, IPA. I have completed my graduation from Bhopal School of Social Sciences in BCom Taxation, and I have done my schooling from St. Paul Senior Secondary Co-ed School in the domain of commerce. Now, if I talk about what's make me happy, now the one of the things that make me happy is reading this amazing books. Now, reading books not only makes me happy, but it also helps me to grow as a person, to learn new things in life. I have generated a new perspective towards various things in my life after reading books. Apart from reading books, there are various other things which makes me happy, some of which are spending time with my family and friends, sketching, painting, going out on bike trips. I would like to sum up my introduction by quoting a great author who said that smile because it's the universal language of kindness. So keep smiling and be happy. Thank you.
And respected teachers, I am Meeni Dubey from Section 4. Today I am feeling blessed that I can share my thoughts with you also. So, what makes me happy? So, sitting with old age people always makes me happy. It excites me from inside that I should spend time with them, and I feel so blessed that I can contribute some of my time with them. And my nanny always used to told me that Abita, always do respect your elders, because by this you will become more and more better in your life. So that time I have decided that I want to open an old age home so that I can give a comfortable life to them also, and I can feel blessed that I have contributed some of my time with them. So yeah, this all makes me so happy because the main thing is their smile, the glitter on the face whenever they receive something. They feel awesome, and by seeing them happy I feel that yeah, this is the thing which I want. And the blessing they give, it's wonderful. This cannot be expressed in words. So sitting and creating memories with them is the most beautiful thing which I love to do it. And whenever I'm free, whenever I see them, I just want to contribute some of my things with them. I just love to share things with them, and they also feel blessed that yeah, there are some people who generally care for them. So sitting with them, laughing with them, creating memories with them is a wonderful blessing which I think that I am doing. So it create a wonders in my life. So so this is all which I want to share with you all, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity so that I can share my thoughts to you, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, respected teachers. I'm Siddhi Patel, MBA first year batch 2021, section 4. So the topic is what makes you happy? What makes me happy? So you all know the COVID situation is still not stable yet and the things are still not open. So in the past couple of years, I have done a lot many things that makes me happy. So the first two things are like I started doing yoga and meditation. It is so relaxing, so peaceful, and helps in the in and helps in our peaceful mind. And now it is in my daily routine, in every daily routine schedule. Like I just woke up in the morning, I devoted 1 hour to myself, and it really makes me feel happy, relaxed, and most important thing, a very peaceful mind. And also I'm very curious to know about different forms of asanas and their benefits. Secondly, I'm an overthinker and also a very creative mind. It just makes me feel happy to do a best out of waste kind of things. And also I'll just love to do paintings, sketching, and things like it's include in a creativity. And last, it's that makes me happy is my family and friends that supported me throughout in every situation. Whenever I feel low or alone, I just hug them, and the things get sorted off. So that's it. Thank you so much for giving us this platform to share our personal happiness with you. And lastly, happy Diwali to you and your family. Thank you.
Hi, respected sir and ma'am. I'm Nikita Nagtode. I'm from Balaghat. I have done my graduation in BSc from Rani Durgavati Viswavidyalaya Jabalpur, but currently I am MBA student from section 4. I have done my schooling from Vivek Jyoti Higher Secondary School Balaghat. My hobbies are listening music and reading books, but my favorite one traveling. Traveling is much good for our health. Traveling gives us a pleasure in our life. We travel our life for different purpose. It refreshes our body and mind. So, traveling is good way to enjoy. Traveling always makes me happy. I travel a lot with my friends and family. My first trip was to going to Ujjain. We enjoy a lot with my friends and family. Whenever we get time, we always discuss about trips and memory. We go for the trip. We collect memory. Memory always makes me happy. That's all about me. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all of you. Myself, Naman Mehra. I live in Bhopal and I study in Bhopal. And I am section 4 in Hyper MBA. I have done my graduation, Jawaharlal Nehru PG College, Bhopal. And I have done my 10th, 12th board in Best Central Railway High Secondary School. My happiness when I talk with my mom. She is the only piece of my life and she is inspiring me. When I look with my mom's eyes, I can see in real love.
शुभम मिश्रा एंड आई एम फ्रॉम सेक्शन 4. तो बिना किसी इंट्रोडक्शन के, बिना किसी और बात के मैं सीधे पॉइंट पे आता हूँ. ये जो जगह है ना, आप समझ रहे हो मैं कहाँ खड़ा हूँ. ये जिम है और ये मेरा एक हैप्पी प्लेस है. जैसे बहुत सी चीज़ें लोगों को खुश करती हैं, बट ये टॉप पे आता है, सबसे टॉप पे आता है. यहाँ मैं घंटों क्या पूरा दिन बिता सकता हूँ बिना आराम के. तो ये जगह मेरे लिए किसी जन्नत से कम नहीं है, सिर्फ मेरे लिए, बाकी लोगों को कोई मतलब भी नहीं है. सो दिस इज माई हैप्पी प्लेस वेयर आई कम एंड आई फील हैप्पी. लाइक आर खालसा सर सेड कि खुशी एक फील है, खुशी फील किया जाता है, तो मुझे वो फील यहाँ मिलता है. सो गाइस, थैंक यू.
Hey guys, good morning everyone. Myself Pranjal Jan and I pursuing my professional education from Institute of Professional Education and Research Bhopal, which is one of the best college in Bhopal to develop the personality of a student. And I completed my graduation from Bhopal School of Social Sciences with BCom honors, and this college helped me to develop the personality in myself. And I scored 82% in that. And I completed my schooling from Bal Bharati Public School, which is one of the best memory for me. And I with commerce background, and I scored 80% in that. And now I would like to share some random memories and which makes me feel happy and bring a smile to my face. One is I love to bake cakes, and the satisfactory feedback of people make me feel happy and bring a smile to my face. And the second one is spending time with my family and travel and explore different places, and road trips, day out with my cousins give me another level of happiness. Clicking pictures and making memories makes me feel happy. And other is kind behavior of other bring a smile to my face and makes conversation more comfortable and interactive. And the fourth one is watching sunset and sparkling stars make me feel mesmerized. And the sixth one is I love to cook food and eat junk food and mummy ke hath ka khana. Surprising my family with buying gifts with my own savings and makes me more happy. And making handmade gifts for my family members makes me more happy. A cup of coffee relieve stress and chocolate brings ultimate happiness to me.
Hello everyone, this is Anjana Ghimire and I am pursuing my MBA from Institute of Professional Education and Research. I have done my graduation in BCom Taxation from Bhopal School of Social Sciences. I have done my schooling from Nalanda Public Higher Secondary School. The things I love the most is in front of you.
इतने चेहरों में अपने चेहरे की पहचान तो बड़े बड़े नामों में अपना भी नाम निशान तो पहचान तो जीने में फिर तो क्या बात हो दिन नया और नई रात हो हर घड़ी बस खुशी साथ हो.
My name is Ritik Parmar. Currently, I am doing my MBA from Institute of Professional Education and Research, IPER Institute, which is a well-reputed college in Bhopal. I am from Section 4. The best way to be stress-free in your life is to be happy. You need to create the way which makes you feel happy. I feel happy when I am doing my painting and sketching. Whenever I got my free time, I started doing painting, which makes me happy from inside. Also, I love to travel a lot on the hill station places. Other than this, I love to hang out with my friends and I love to spend more time with my family members. Also, I like to involve me most on the spiritual activities which heals me from inside. And if you want to be happy from inside, you need to create small moments in your life which make you happy in your life. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Sneha Kaushal from Section 4, IPER MBA 2021. First of all, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity to express my news on it. Today I will talk about what makes me happy. There are so many things my happiness. By the way, I like so many things. I like spend time with my friends, walking with go them out or to dinner with family and eat my favorite food with friends. And happiness comes from the work in which we are inspired. I love designing new ways of making new things. Make me happy, not just cloth, but I am happy with little things. My attitude is countless because we can't count our happiness. Thank you.
Hey, myself Adnan Khan, MBA from Section 4. I am from Mumbai. It is famous for some special sweets like Mavavati. It is a mini development city. I am currently staying in Bhopal, the city of the lake. I love the city and I am pursuing my MBA degree from Institute of Professional Education, IPER, and I have completed my BCom from Government Ganeshwankar Vidyalaya in Mungauli, and I am completed my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya Mungauli. And the three things make me a lots of happiness. Like I love singing, lots of traveling with friends, late night drivings, and I love the car drivings. And I am yeah. That's end from my side. See ya.
Hello, I am Akshar Misra. I study MBA Section 4. My parents are my happiness world. Both are everything for me.
Hello everyone, my name is Sunil Patil and I'm from Section 4. So this was a task given to us that we need to tell about what makes me happy. So for me, what makes me happy is that whenever I do something new in my life, something unique in my life, that always makes me happy. Like right now making this video, this is the first time I'm saying something about myself, about my life through a video. So this makes me happy. Like whenever I meet someone new in my life, some new person, so that always makes me happy. Like I met someone new, I
talked something new about that person, about my life, so that makes me happy. And whenever I eat something new, I love eating, so whenever I eat something new in my life, that always makes me happy. And yeah, doing something new in my life, doing something unique in my life always makes me happy. And one more thing, that whenever I play cricket, I love playing cricket as well as watching cricket. So whenever I play cricket, I always feel happy. I enjoy playing cricket. So yeah, playing cricket also makes me happy. Yeah, so these are the things that makes me happy. And thank you.
Happiness is what you think, what you say, and what you do in harmony. Beautiful quote by Mahatma Gandhi. I am Monica Singh Kushwaha from MBA Section 4. First of all, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to talk about what makes me happy. The factors that contributed to my happiness are enjoying little things like hanging out with my friends, spending time with my family, exercising daily, eating my favorite food, and lot more. As I have experienced gradually, that real happiness doesn't lies in materialistic things as it may last for a while. जब भी हम कुछ चाहते हैं वो मिल जाता है, we feel so happy, we feel so elated, but that happiness is not a real happiness. That state is called high. We feel so high at that time. So I feel that happiness is inside us. We must learn to how to be happy. One more thing I would like to add, that happiness that lasts for long is making others happy. So to be happy, talk less, listen more, think less, feel more, complain less, appreciate more, and last but not the least, do more and be more. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Raghuvanshi and I am from Ganjwazda, which is a tehsil in Vidisha district. I am pursuing MBA from Institute of Professional Education and Research, IPAR Bhopal. It is one of the oldest and finest BA school in Central India. I am in section number 4 MBA. I have done my BCom from taxation from Sanskar College of Professional Studies Indore, which is under Devi Ahilyabai Vishwavidyalaya. I have done my graduation from Scholars Public Higher Secondary School, Ganjwasoda. If we talk about happiness, what makes me happy? So happiness comes from the getting things we want. जो हमें चाहिए वो हमें मिल जाए. But this is the temporary happiness. The real happiness comes from, for me, for going to traveling with the families and friends. So my last trip was going to Pachmali, where I enjoyed a lot. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am Nidhi from section 4 shares you the things which makes me happy. Firstly, spending quality time with my parents, traveling with them make me happy. Nothing in the world makes me more happy than them. Secondly, cooking with my mom, getting new things from her, learning new recipes from her make me happy. Thirdly, helping the needy ones, like going to the old age home, spending time with them gives me a positive vibe, like going to the orphanage, playing with the kids, celebrating birthday festivals with them give me the happiness. Happiness is something which gives you an internal satisfaction. Thank you.
To all, I am Aniket Pathak. Basically, I am from Gajranwala. It is in developing city of Narsinghpur district, but currently I am residing in Bhopal. I am pursuing MBA from Institute of Professional Education and Research, IPER, Bhopal. I have done my graduation in BCom in Computers from Government PG College, Gajranwala. I have completed my schooling from Nupur Convent School, Gajranwala, and the things that makes me happy are listening music, writing poems and shairis, and my favorite one, traveling. Traveling always makes me happy. My first trip was to Pachmadi. I have gone with my family and we enjoyed a lot there. And whenever I get time, I always think about to travel somewhere. And whenever we get time with I get time with my friends, we always talk about the traveling and we always talk about the trips, where we go, how we go. And whenever we go for a trip, we always collect memories, and memories always make us happy. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Sonali Sharma of MBA SAM 1 Section 4. Today I am going to share what makes me happy. I love to spend time with my family, and that's the best time of the day. I always try to do something new and love to try new things. The best thing about me is that the people around me can get easily comfortable, and because of that, I have many friends. And I can get easily adapt any environment and get used to it. I love to do cooking, and I have done the NCC in my UG days and got B and C certificate. Add on, I'm a sport person. I have played almost every single game like volleyball, basketball, rugby, kabaddi, kho and anions. That's it. I know many people will not believe what I have said, but I don't care because I know I'm the best. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Tinita Pillai from MBA Semester 1, Section 4. I hope you all are spending your Diwali vacation बड़े धूमधाम से and happily. Happy से याद आया, we got a task to make a video that what makes you the happy me. So here I show you what makes me the happy me. So that was all the ingredients of Happy Me. I hope the video of Nitya's Happy Me made you happy as well. Thanks for watching.
I am Abhishek Haryale from the city of Lex, Bhopal. I have completed my graduation from Government PG College, Bhopal. I have done my schooling from St. Stephen High Secondary School, Bhopal. Now I am pursuing MBA from Institution of Professional Education and Research, IPER, Bhopal. The things that make me happy are reading books, listening music, spending time with my family and friends, and one of my favorite, playing cricket. And many more things makes me happy. Thank you.
This is enjoying little things in life. Hello everyone, myself Ritika Vashne and I'm pursuing my MBA from Institute of Professional Education and Research, Bhopal, and I live in Bhopal. I'm very delightful to share my views on what makes me happy. I'm very fond of flowers and I love to appreciate natural beauty. Flowers are the symbol of love and happiness. They add beautiful colors in my life. They are the reason for brightening up my day with full of joy. Their sweet fragrances mesmerizes me and creates beautiful aura around me. I am so fond of flowers that I have my own garden with so many beautiful flowers. I love staying here and enjoy every moment I spend here. So I just want to say that flowers are responsible for bringing happiness in my life and making my surrounding environment a prettier place to live in. Thank you.
Good afternoon to each and everyone who are listening me. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Hello, my name is Syed Adnan Ali. Basically, I am from Korwai. Currently, I am residing in Bhopal. I am pursuing my MBA degree from Institute of Professional and Education Research, IPER Bhopal. I am a student of Section 4. I did my graduation in BBA from PG Government College, Bina. I have done my schooling from DAVPURL Public School, Bina. Now I am coming to the point what makes me happy. I am the happiest when I pray or offer a namaz. And when I spend time with my parents, that is the best feeling I have ever. Because the parents is the most precious thing that I am having. Now, I am very fond of sports. I love to play every kind of sports. clearly saw in this video that I am very happy when I play all these kind of sports. When I had to know about that, I got an admission in Institute of Professional Education and Research IPR College. That was the best feeling that I am ever have.
Hello everyone, this is Sakshi Katiyar and I am pursuing MBA from Institute of Professional Education and Research IPR Bhopal. And things which makes me happy is traveling because I love adventure a lot. I don't like usual things. I mean, I need something to cheer me, to excite me, and different things. So yeah, traveling is one thing which makes me happy a lot.
I'll be alright, I'll be alright, I'll be alright. तू है तो टेढ़ी मेरी राहें, उल्टी पुल्टी बातें सीधी लगती है.
And second is to be presentable, and from presentable I mean planning for something like how I will communicate my outfits, or how I will carry myself for certain occasion, events, or whatsoever the plan is, because it gives me confidence, and confidence ultimately makes me happy.
As soon as I walked into the room, yeah, I couldn't help but think of you.
Third is music, because I think music connects with me a lot. Like it triggers my mood, because like if I'm sad, the sad song will make me more in that mood. It's like going with the flow. Or like if I'm in a party mood, so party songs trigger me a lot. So yeah, music is things which makes me happy. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Avinima Saxena, student of MBA Section 4. First of all, I am really thankful to our management who thought of such an innovative topic and made us think on it. Because in the recent few days, we actually thought that what is making us happy. We, in our lives, we run and we never think that in that running race, what is actually making us happy and what is not. We are just thinking that tomorrow is a day and we have to do this. Next day is a day, we have to do this. But in the few days, I really realized that there are abounding things that is actually making me happy. And happiness is not a stagnant process that is fixed. It is a dynamic process. What my happiness is currently will not be tomorrow. So happiness differs from person to person. The biggest happiness is making others feel happy, because this is something which will never require efforts. It is just the game of mental peace and relaxation. Your satisfaction will depend on you. So, here are a few things which will make you more familiar with my life, my happiness, and what makes me happy. I should say more happy. So, stay tuned.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hello everyone, my name is Smithika Jain and I am an MBA Section 4 Batch 2021 student, and today I'm going to tell you what makes me happy. For me, happiness is a state of mind. It's just the way you look at things. For a 10 years old kid, new dresses, beautiful toys, games, etc. are the factors contributing to his happiness. Whereas a 16-year-old child seeks happiness in good grades, parents' love for him, teachers' appreciation, and many more. But at this stage of life, I have a different perspective on happiness in my mind. I seek happiness in my growth and peace. For me, happiness is a choice. The feeling of happiness doesn't come to you, you have to let it out. I feel happy when I see myself learning new things every day, even from my mistakes. Yes, I am an optimistic person, plus a creative head, who loves to see brighter side of life and do things in an innovative way. So that my way of doing things, my decisions are always different from others. And when I see myself as unique, standing out from the crowd, that makes me happy. See, it's so simple to be happy. So, let's all be happy thinking about this beautiful life we got, thinking about the things we got to learn every day, the lessons we can get every day from this life. Thank you.
Hello. First of all, happy Diwali because this is the season of festivals. Myself, Man Saxena from MBA Section 4. I have completed my graduation from Barkatullah University from SAM College in BCom Honors and I have scored 71% in BCom. If talk about my family background, we are 4 members in my family. My father is self-employed, my mother is homemaker and my sister is in 10th standard in St. Paul School. I am having a brown belt in martial arts like karate and I have worked with the Teleperformance, one of the biggest BPO sector industry in Flipkart. Fitness and cooking makes me happy and I am a fitness enthusiast, but my main hobby is cooking because it makes me happy. I love to cook Indian dishes like dosa, poha and also some non-veg dishes, and I like to cook Italian dishes also like pasta and red sauce and with cheese, and at last I love to cook Maggi because it takes only 2 minutes to make.